Hello and welcome, and in this video I am going to be unboxing the HP DeskJet 1212 single function printer. So as you can see, this is a desktop printer. That's what it looks like, and it says simple setup from PC. It's got HP's reliability. It's basically a very affordable printer, and of course it comes with HP ink cartridges. And at a glance, its functions is to print. It's a single function printer, so it will only print. It's not a scanner. It has a USB port for connectivity. Ink, it says vivid color and crisp text, compatible with high yield cartridges. It's best for everyday documents, and as you can see, the cartridge number is the 805. It supports both the tricolor cartridge and the single color black cartridge. Okay, so it supports both those two cartridges. Let's see what else is on the box. Anything else? No. So let's just go ahead and unbox this. Open it up for you guys. Over here on the top, it says included setup cartridge. So there's a tricolor cartridge, setup cartridge included, and there's a black setup cartridge included. There's also a USB cable included, and it lists out your minimum system requirements, which it says Windows 10 or Windows 7. You require 1 GHz 32-bit x86 or 64-bit x64, a 2 GB hard drive, okay, Microsoft Internet Explorer, Internet USB, of course. Alright, so let's just go ahead and open this up, and we'll see what the actual printer looks like and what you get in the box of this printer. So, cut it from the side, cut it from that side. Okay, so right on the top you can see that they've sort of included this document. This is a very simple, as you can see, very simple with pictures. They've showed you how to basically install the cartridge and how to set this up. We'll do that in a separate video. Let's just put that to the side for now. There are, right on the top again, there are two cartridges, as you can see. This is the setup black cartridge, and this is the setup tricolor cartridge. So that comes in the box, and as I mentioned, that there is a USB cable included. So this is the USB cable that's included in the box also, and of course there's your power cable, which is right here. This is the power cable that goes into the printer. There's some more documents. Let's take that, put it out to the side. We've got some cardboard packaging, and here's the printer itself. Okay, there's some more documents. So this is basically another guide for the HP DeskJet 1200 printer series. Good idea to always read the documents before you actually get started. It will clear all your sort of doubts you may have about this product. And let's go ahead and take the actual printer out. So the printer comes, as you can see, it comes completely wrapped in plastic, and what I'll do is I will go ahead and tear it. Okay, and let's just get the plastic off here. Putting the plastic on here is to basically protect this from dirt. As you can see, the plastic might be a little dusty, but you can rest assured that the actual printer itself is in pristine condition, because that's what the plastic does, it protects it. Okay, and there you go, that's the printer, that's what it looks like. So there's a tray that moves out at the back. As you can see, it accepts different sizes of paper. This tray goes up in the front. Obviously these are all taped up. We'll do a separate video where we show you how to actually set this up. So, but basically this is the printer itself. On the side of the printer, if you ever get stuck, very conveniently, there's a HP sales and support sticker, and there's a QR code which you can scan to get their customer support. So if you ever get stuck, that's right on the side. So basically you get the printer. In the box you get two cartridges, like I mentioned. There's the black cartridge, there's the setup tricolor cartridge. You get a USB cable, obviously, to connect it. There's a power cable, there's a USB cable, and there are a whole bunch of documents that come. So that was the unboxing of the HP DeskJet 1212 single function printer. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.